Good morning, everybody. I am trying to see if I can improve the mulching ability for my Model 9052 front mount Grasshopper mower deck. This mower is 30 plus years old. There are blades that use a similar idea that are mounted on a swivel pin, so that there are 4 individual blades that will cut more, probably distribute more grass within the cutting chamber and help to recycle the grass. However, those blades sell for about $300 per set delivered. So today I'm going to mix and match 2 blades. I'm going to cut one blade into 2 sections and weld it to the other blade and see how that works as a general starting point. The first thing I need to do is cut this blade into 2 pieces, taking out the middle section, the width of this blade in here. After I do that, I will then weld this blade to this edge of the blade that is going to be my primary cutting blade, but in doing so, this cutting height as well as this cutting height will all be at the same level. So let's give it a try. My first thing will be to, using a grinder, cut this and this. So now the center blade will be the main blade, and the pieces of the existing shredder blade will be welded to the center blade, which will give it additional cutting ability as well. So now I have cut the blades, gotten edges beveled in the center of where I'm going to attach the blade, pieces to the original blade. This will allow me to get full penetration welding. Hopefully we'll have 100% and will make a stronger connection. At this point, I have placed a support under the center of the main blade, and it also has the cut portion resting on the edge, as well as a very thin shim on the outer end, which is approximately the same amount as the main blade is off of the concrete floor. Okay, so here is the finished product. What I did was I cut off this blade into 2 pieces. I connected the 2 pieces to this blade. I did bevels on each end of this and that, so that my welds would be 100% penetrated, and I welded it from both sides. So I'm going to leave the one blade on, then I'm going to cut some grass, not just one time, but several times, different conditions, and see if there is any improvement with this left side of the deck. This video will be continued later.